Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept the binary number congruent to 1 modulo 4. Same previous question, it is like the same previous point. Binary number congruent to 1 modulo 4. Now inputs alphabet is 0, 1. Okay, are you getting my point? Now binary number congruent to 1 modulo 4. Congruent to 1 modulo 4. So what is saying that here? So we are giving inputs in terms of binary, then we should think about in decimal. The decimal divisible by 4, the number divisible by 4, we should get what remainder as a 1. What are those numbers? 1, if when you give a input 1 should accept, when you give a input as a 5 should accept. Why? Because 5 divisible by 4, remainder will get 1. 9 if you give should accept, 9 plus 4 almost 13 you give should accept, like this. This number should give, like it is not a length, it is a decimal equivalent. So binary a decimal equivalent, understand. So in the binary 5, 101, like if you give 1 or 101 or 1001 or this is 1101, this is number 13 only, correct or not? Integer 9 only, integer 5 only, integer 1. When you give integer 1, but integer 1 I am not thinking in terms of decimal, in terms of binary I am talking. Binary integer 1 if you give, binary integer 5 you give, binary integer 9 give, binary integer 13 give, that must accept. Such a way we need to construct. So for which what I am trying to tell here, now some kind of what I have done. So here, so by 1 modulo 4, how many state will get, what are the reminders will get? 0 will get 1 remainder, 2 remainder, 3. So these are the reminders will get, but for 1 should is a final state. So previous example, what is the previous example ma? In the previous example, binary equivalent to 0 modulo 3 we give a given, correct or not? Are you getting my point? For this 0, 1, 2, these are the reminders. So 0 is a final state only, right? Here 1 is a final state. So I am considering previous one here. So some kind of we can give a transition diagram a given. So transition table also we can make it ma. First I will make it transition table for previous example, that is binary number equivalent to 0 modulo 3. Then I will make for 1 modulo 4. So 0, 1. So simple to make Q naught. Okay. So simple to write. Already I given transition diagram, but I am giving just transition table, that becomes easy for us. So Q naught, right? Q naught on 0, Q naught on 1, Q1, right, like this. So then, so Q1 on 0, Q2, next is Q2. How many states are Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2, right? Like Q0, Q1, Q2, then again repeat Q0, then take it Q2, Q0, after Q0 what will be? Q1, Q2 only. This way you write. Now Q naught is the final state. Q naught is the final state, and just repeating, writing transition table becomes easier. Simply see, make it symbols 0, 1, start with Q naught, then you write Q naught, Q1, go to until completion all the state, Q0, Q1, Q2, again Q0, Q1, Q2, like this, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q2, like that, simple. So no need to think, no need to look no need to look transition table. So this is correct only. You check whether this is correct or not. So previous example, whether it is correct or not, you can check. I am taking previous one. See, Q naught on 0, what is that? Q naught only. See, Q naught on 0, Q naught. Q naught on 1, Q1, correct? And Q1 on 0, Q2. See, Q2 we got. Q1 on 1, Q naught. Q1 on 1, Q naught, correct. Q2 on 0, Q1. Q2 on 0, Q1, correct. Q2 on 1, Q2 only, Q2 on 1, Q2, correct or not? This transition table is equivalent to transition diagram or not for previous example 0 modulo 3, all of you? Yes. So in which Q naught is the final state. Now what is the process I made? Simply, sometime what I am drawing this transition diagram may be taking complex, then writing in this case transition table. So transition table becomes easy. Simply Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q naught, Q1, Q2, like that you should think, correct, all of you. So this number of states is fixed, we won't change, like 4 means 1 modulo 4, 0 modulo 4, 5 modulo 4, whatever you, 3 modulo 4, whatever you take, the number of state will be 4 only here. So now I will make for Now I will make for this example transition table easily. So I hope you are getting now I am taking binary number equivalent to 1 modulo 4, correct or not? What I mentioned, so we have a 0 1 2 3, so 1 is the final state we will get, correct? Now what is the inputs you should give? Either 1 should we give accept, if you give 5 should accept, now 9 should accept, 13 should accept, correct? Now I am taking transition table, I will make easily. This is 0 1. Now Q0 is initial state, so I should have Q0 Q1, take it Q1 Q2 Q3 until completion. Yes, 0 1 2 3 Q3 varaku. Then take it Q2. Now again start with Q0 Q1. Then take it Q3. Again what is the Q2 Q3, like this, Q2 Q3. See Q0 Q1 Q2 for all 4 states. Now just Q0 Q1 Q2 Q3, Q0 Q1 Q2 Q3, like this. You will start with 0 to until next last state, again start with 0 to until last state. That way you write in. This is exactly correct. If you draw transition table, transition diagram also, that becomes same only. Now what is the final state? As I mentioned, R is a final state here, Q1 is a final state, Q1 is a final state. Are you getting? And sometimes you understand whatever FA we will get for this language may not be minimal FA. There are two things will be there, FA and minimal FA. Both are different minimal FA, FAs both are different, as I mentioned also. Are you getting? For this FA many FAs will be there, but minimal FA is unique. For one language we can have a 2 FAs. FA is not unique, minimal FA is unique, means minimal FA nothing, minimized FA means reduced FA. Some state may be equal here. After removal of some equal state, we will getting what? Minimal FA. Here see some kind of observation we can make. Here sometime what happen? Some state may be equal here. Some state may be equal. How we can understand? See, Q0 on 0 comma 1, where it is going? Q0 Q1 only. Q2 on 0 comma 1, where it is going? Q0 Q1 only, correct? See, Q0 going to same state on same input symbol, and Q2 also going to be same state in input symbol. Look this Q1 on 0 comma 1, Q2 Q3 is going on. Now Q3 also going to 0 comma 1, Q2 Q3 only. Now these two state may be equal, these two state may be equal. And before addressing this, we must understand some note point. All of you write a note point. Final state, write in all of you. Final state cannot be equal to non-final state. Final state. Are you getting my point? Final state cannot be equal to non-final state. Second one. Two final states can be equal. Third one, two final states can be equal. Next one, two non-final states can be equal. These are the note point you observe, right? First one, final and non-final cannot be equal. Two final can be equal, two non-final can be equal. This is a very important point you have to understand. Because why final and non-final cannot be equal? Because final state will reject, non-final state will accept. I cannot combine these two. Two final state, it is accepting states only, correct or not? If two final state accepting same thing, nothing but it can be equal. Are you getting my point? Two final state can be, why it is be equal? Because same, it may accepting same thing, I should combine. Two non-final state, maybe two are maybe rejecting same thing, you can combine. But final and non-final cannot be equal, because final is accepting, non-final is rejecting. Now what is the point we can make? Q1 Q3 cannot be equal. Why? Q1 is a final, Q3 is a non-final, correct or not? It is in this string it is accepting, in this string it is rejecting. Are you getting my point? So this Q1 Q3 cannot be equal. Now Q0 Q2 will be equal. Why it is will be equal? Guarantee I can say, because Q0 on 0 comma 1 it is going to be Q0 Q3, so Q0 Q1, and q2 on 0 comma 1 it is going to be q0 q1 only. Both are same state is going on, definitely these two states are equal. So after making equalization I should reduce. So now I should make it q0 on 0 q0 q1. So now q1 is a final state, final q1 on 0 q2 q3 I am written. Now I should not write q2 state because I should combine with q0 only. So now I will write directly q3 state only, q3 on 0 q2 and q3 on 1 q3 like this. Now total how many states we got here, ma? 3 states only. So now reduced FA, this is a reduced FA, nothing but minimal FA. Now some equal states are we removed, we combine like this. So here what we combine, q2 q0 combined. Reason behind I told you, because q0 on 0 q0 only, q0 on 1 q1, it is also going to be same state. So same state, both are coming to same state, so that is nothing but we can combine them, are you getting? But q1 q3 also going to same state, but we should not combine because final non-final cannot be equal. After combining this state will get the minimum number of state will get. So now how many state we got here? 3. Now I can write, there are two things we can say. Number of states in FA will be 4. Number of states in FA will be 4. Number of states in minimal FA will be 3. That you would understand. So now all of you might getting difference between FA and minimal FA. FA may have equal state, unreachable state, but minimal FA may not have equal state. We removed equal state, we have minimized, that is reduced FA, we can understand now, all of you. So note down these points very clearly. In this example I talk about even previous example also, Jura module 3 in terms of transition table. Same thing I constructed transition table only used for constructing this one module of 4. I feel we can make transition diagram also, that make complex. It is become easy, like simply q0 q1 q2 q3 q0 q1 q2 q3 we can draw it like that. So one more example also we can understand. All of you note down this thing clearly, all of you note down this thing clearly. I will take another example. Thank you all of you.